got the batteries to test it. So far, so good. So check it. 4 batteries, 48 volts. Problem I had with the last motor was actually not the motor, it was the batteries. So my tester, here's my switch. Problem was, and it still is a little bit because I'm refurbishing the batteries from work, is that when I give it gas, it drops so low and so fast. So eventually, but it's got a damn kick, man. I'm on it myself, about 150, and it moves. I'll put a little graph I did on the phone, but I seen it go up to 22, but it still shows it up to 12, 16. I'm guessing that's just the average. I'm gonna download another one and check it out. But for those of you that didn't see the last videos, this is a Pulse Performance ATV, 24 volts. You should be able to throw this motor onto the original plating. I had that one mounted because I was gonna go gas, 49cc, but the motor needed to be on this side, which is the sprocket, and my brakes had to be on this side. Due to all the welding and everything forward that had to be done, it was loud. My baby couldn't ride it in the city or to the park. We went with more kick, and we went back to electric, and everything remains the same. Pockets will fit straight in here, original hub, original everything. The motor, this is my cheap attempt into making a chain liner. I forget what they call it. The tensioner, I'm sorry. This is what I came up with. Screw, plastic washer to the motor, and it seems to put in work. If it does wear out, it will be just the plastic, and then it'll get to the bolt. Should be pretty cheap to replace. But here it is. My last problem with the other ones were the batteries. Again, I refurbished them from work. Just ran into this one yesterday. It's dated on the 18th. So not so bad. Check it out. I already rode around the block. Here's the batteries that I was using. They don't hold the charge anymore, but it's got kick. Still got to see what's up with these. I'll see if this is actually accurate. Saw it on another video. See if the speeds actually work. For now, still gotta get 2 other batteries so it can hold the charge a little bit better. These batteries are 7Ah. Maybe that's the cost. Let me know in the comments. This is my little kid's bike, food. Check this shit out.